Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Megan. If you didn't know, now you know. And we have this. It is a dust collector. It's new, and so I want to show it to you and then try it out with you. Here is the box, obviously. Nail dust collector, turbine, brushless, strong suction. It also wants to tell you about the battery power and that it is strong suction, low noise, energy saving, and good quality. Here's the back. Pause to read if you would like. So let's open her. Now this did not come with it. I stuffed these in here. I bought them separately. They're just like those papers that you put over it. So let me move that. Here's what it did come with. So it has a extra filter and instructions. Very handy. And then here is the item, and here is the charger. So when I say here's the charger, that's because it is rechargeable, wireless. Go charge it up, come over and use it. It is nice and small and compact. To open it, you pull it up back here. And here is how you take the filter out. This is the fan, very similar to most dust collectors. So now for these papers, I know that you can put them on top. I know a lot of people also just put them underneath this, and I might do that. It has these indicators. This one lights up when you're charging, low, medium, and high. And then here's the hole. You plug it in. And this is the bottom side. Rechargeable, brushless dust collector. I got this on Amazon and I will leave you a link. It is certainly much more affordable than a lot of the rechargeable dust collectors available. However, it's also not like the cheapest. So hopefully we'll get a nice medium result. Let's turn it on. All right, here's low. Let's listen. Let's boost that up to medium. Let's go all the way up to high. So here is the full blast sound. You can feel it pushing out here. You can feel it pulling down here. Let's do a test. I'm gonna put it on its side and let's stick that on it. Okay. Let's see what else we can stick to it. What about this Arby's sauce pack? Let's move this. Will it hold that? Nope, it's too heavy. What about a lens cleaning wipe? Yep, it'll hold that. How about my little business card? Sure enough, it'll hold that too. Let's see if it'll hold a flosser. Oh my goodness, it sure did. Wow. Let's turn it over. And all that stuff is still there. All right, let's turn that off. Okay, so max power says 120 watts. And it does say that when it is fully charged and the light is on green, which I need to charge this up apparently, that it can be sustained for up to 4 hours of use before you have to charge it again. I don't know if that's true, but maybe we'll find out. Except I don't know when I'm going to be filing for 4 hours straight. So I guess we'll hope for the best. I am going to take off these nails and we're gonna use this to do it. But I am gonna put one of these on, so let's do that. So here's this. You can set it like that, but I think it's gonna not be staying as much or fold up. So let's put it underneath. Maybe we can extend the longevity of that filter. There we go. Nice fit. Perfect. Let's get started. Okay, so I have my dust collector. I have my drill. We're about to take both of these off. I have chosen to go in with this green, which is on the coarser end, flame bit. Normally I take these off with the carbide bits, but it offered me a flame bit. This one's just more coarse, and I was actually doing some reading up the other day about why you would choose one or the other. And normally I don't pick these because they wear down a lot quicker, but I have them, so I might as well use them. And it says that they take a lot longer to get hot. so that can be more comfortable. So we're gonna give it a try. So let's do it. Look at it just cut right through that length. There went my fingernail polish, but it was peel off. Yeah, this is just bulldozing through like butter, and we're only on 18. I'm gonna stop there because I don't want to go too far down. We'll soak the remaining off, but it's pretty much gone, and that took literally minutes, maybe 2, maybe 3. It does say 3 minutes to remove a nail. I'm impressed. Let's do the next one. All right, I'm gonna go in and knock those other ones off real quick. All right, so we have got these down. They are gonna need a soaking. Both of them are. They haven't been soaked off in a while. I've just been building on top of the thin layers. So that's what I'm gonna do. We've got these both off here. This hand was polygel and was significantly easier to remove than this hand, which was solid builder gel. But both of them were fast. I just had to turn it up a little bit higher to do this hand. And of course, stabilize and hold it funny because I'm not left-handed. But look at all the trash we have here. Like, this is a bunch. Let's paint it all into the center. We're gonna throw that away. Let's open that up. Knock our bits off. It's dusty. Look at that. That's a big old pile. And under here is still good. Perfect. You can see where it is. It's just see-through. There's not like anything on there. So if you are needing a dust collector and you're wanting to get a rechargeable one, you could definitely give this one a try. Again, I will link it in the description. I think it did a pretty good job. It sucked up a lot of stuff. Now, to be fair, there is some dust around here because it did start to get like compacted with that, and really I should have stopped after one hand and took that filter off and put down another one because I was bogging this thing down, and that's probably not great for it, but it still managed, and it still collected a ton of debris. But that's it for this video. Thank you so much. And if you did make it this far, please do leave me a comment and a like if you liked the video. Definitely make sure you're subscribed so you're not missing my content. You know we do things over here. And make sure you're following my socials. We post things over there that sometimes don't make it here. And check the description. That's where I keep the links and the discount codes. There's all kinds of stuff down there. So go and have a peek-see, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.